Sharmeen Thomas, and today I am at an amazing event. I am at Australian Indian Theatre's theatre act called Yama Yama Returns. Now, they've had a series of theatre acts that they've presented over the years. Honestly, we are at halftime right now, and it's an absolutely delightful show. Let's just go around and have a quick chat to people and just get a sense of what they're feeling and thinking so far. Smita with me. Smita is also the mom of one of the main characters, Sid, who's also a very dear friend of mine. Smita, are you Sid's mom or are you Rahul ki mummy?
As you mentioned, I'm both Sid and Rahul's mum, but I think the show is going great, and I would say Anu, as a team leader and the conceiver of this play, she has put in a lot of effort, and all the characters are doing justice to it. And I think when your dream gets manifested and talented artists, I think there's no reward like that.
Mithalji, you're obviously from Kaba Accountants, and you support a lot of events around the city. Now, this is a very special event, and you have been supporting it for a few years now.
Right from the beginning. Australian Indian Theatre, I have been the accountant from day one. I have known Navi from day one, and Anu was introduced to me by Navi, and they are great people. They put their heart and soul into it. I'm just mesmerized by what they do. It's an amazing, and I cannot say that nobody should, it should be oversold every time, and they should have many, many shows.
But Smita, just to take us a little behind the scenes, obviously Sid has been working really hard with all the practices and everything. What have you witnessed about him during this period?
I would just say that he's a chartered accountant, but stage and films are his passion, and only one thing is he's devoted to the craft.
I couldn't agree more. He is extremely talented, extremely hardworking, and honestly a delight to watch on stage. Yes, Smita, thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharmeen and Indus TV, for giving me an opportunity to just pen in my ideas. Thank you.
Naro ma, naro. It's actually fascinating because it is a packed show today. And Mithalji, thank you so much because you've supported such a wonderful event today, and also you do support a lot of other events around Brisbane, supporting the Indian community.
It's my pleasure, definitely. If we will not support our community, who will? So it's from the bottom of our heart. We like to support.
बिल्कुल. आज मैं जिसके साथ भी इंटरव्यू कर रही हूँ, सब बहुत ऐसे इमोशनल हो रहे हैं.
It's such a, it's everybody who's there, whether it's AIT, whether it's Sargam, whether it's, even if Navi, if you talk about his own big belly, and there's so many more. There's every one of them, even, what's her name, Prerna's, and there's another one coming up with Poonam Dillon. You've got to be there. The Padmini, not Poonam Dillon, sorry, Padmini Kolhapur, yeah. You've got to be there.
Bilkul, wonderful, and I can't wait to see you around town as we usually do. Enjoy the rest of the show this evening.
कैसा लग रहा है? और मैं हैंडसम एंड डैशिंग. जो यमराज की ही कई किराए पे पानी फेंके. तो कैसे लगा आपके लड़के जी? सिमरन तुम्हारी सिमरन. तुम्हें कहाँ गई थी? तैयार नहीं तो गई थी आप आइलैंड. ऐसा लगता है कि मैं कोई जंग जीत के आ रहा हूँ. मुझे बहुत ड्रिल से बोल. कैसा आप लोग यार? तुम बाहर आ रहे हो? हाँ, चलो पानी जाना है.
I am with another artist here today. So her name is Shobna. She is a poet, and you run an Instagram handle called, was it Raag Zindagi? So I thought Shobna would be a perfect candidate to ask a couple of questions. Now, Shobna, we're at halftime of the show. What do you think so far of the play that we have witnessed?
I think it's really nice what they are doing. It's like so much of hard work they have put in, and it's very entertaining, I must say. And the sense of humor and their timing, it's amazing. And I have been there in their other show like Junction Ki Chudail. I love that one as well. So I'm actually enjoying myself. So it's really, really nice.
Thank you so much, Shobna. I couldn't agree more. We're all, I just can't wait to go in for the second half. So why don't we get going? All right, let's go. Anu Sharma. Anu, I think, there's this big thing you've done and now you're probably going to breathe this sigh of relief. But I think there's so much of adrenaline. I don't think you're going to sleep tonight. How are you feeling?
It's always fantastic to put a show on. And we only have one mission: entertainment, entertainment, entertainment. And that's what we achieved today. So very excited, and thanks to all my cast that have worked really hard for it for months, really. So it's not easy to put a theatre show on, but I think everybody loved it, and that's the reward, So thank you.
100%. Anu, we've got some fantastic reviews. Can't wait to share all of that with you. Congratulations on a mega successful show. You were so good, and I think the way you put everything together was just fantastic. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, Tanvi ji, 30 seconds. Tell me, what is your review of Yama Yama Returns?
Guys, I would say it's a fantastic show. I've been watching them since beginning when they started. हर बार आपको कुछ नया देखने को मिलेगा, इतना हंसने को मिलेगा. You will just feel, oh my God, अगर आप नहीं आए, you are missing something really big. So amazing job, Anu and Australian Indian Theatre. Fantastic job for sure.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Tanvi. Tell me, was this the first time you came to watch a theatre show?
I did. It was fantastic. I loved it.
Ruchi, what was your most favorite part of this evening's entertainment and the performance?
I think everything. I think how the different characters and their variations and stuff. Yes, that was all fun.
And when you were coming here, is this like what you expected to watch?
I think this is what I expected to watch. I loved the theatre. I love the costumes, the different backgrounds. Lived up to the expectation.
Okay, 30 seconds. Give us your review of Yama Yama Returns.
It's amazing. Like हमने बहुत enjoy किया. Like all 3 hours, 1 मिनट के लिए भी बोर नहीं हुए. और जो राहुल और राज थे, they both was amazing and everything amazing. Love this show.
Amazing. आपका favorite character कौन था?
मेरा फेवरेट कैरेक्टर यमराज था.
Any particular reason?
I think he was versatile. मतलब चाहे गुस्सा दिखाना था, चाहे डांस करना था, चाहे लड़कियां पटानी थी. He was very nice.
लड़कियां पटानी थी.
लड़के या लड़कियां? आपका फेवरेट कैरेक्टर कौन था सर?
Of course यमराज.
What about yourself?
मेरा फेवरेट था राहुल. Because he was fitting in each of them character. This was nice.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining us today. खुश?
Yes.
खुश तो बहुत हो गए तुम.
Yes. Happy today.
Khushbu, who was your favorite character?
Definitely star of the show, Simran. Kudos to Anu. Multiple characters, so many dancing, but beautiful woman and lovely as a director, as an actor. Good work.
Okay, I have with me Mithun Chakrabarti. Now, he is a known name in the Brisbane community. And fun fact, he played the character of Rahul in the first Yama Yama edition. So, Mithun, how did you feel looking at your character coming back to life and you're just watching it from a third-person perspective?
I was feeling so nostalgic to see again, Yama Yama. It was a fantastic experience. And yeah, this time also Rahul was hero, ekdam hero. We thoroughly enjoyed Rahul and Australian Indian Theatre.
Bilkul, honestly, I think Sid did a fabulous job, so he's probably lived up to expectation and probably surpassed it. But tell me, unbiased, who is your favorite character of the show?
Oh, I think Yamraj and Sasuma, huh? Both are. Sasuma ने बहुत अच्छा रोल किया है Sasuma ने.
I couldn't agree more. I think she had layers to her character, and I think it really shone through. So I like your pick for your favorite character. Thank you so much for joining us today, Mithun. Thank you. मेरे साथ है the super duper times 100 talented Gautam Ahuja ji. Honestly, I am in love with not just your Chitra or Gupt character, but like all the characters that you played. Gautam, you've been working really hard behind the scenes. Just give us a little insight into what it's been like preparing for this show tonight.
I think the entire team has been working tirelessly. Everybody has played multiple characters, so it's not easy to juggle between characters, between costumes and props. It takes a lot of time. More than anything, I think it takes a lot of family support. So everybody's families are involved in it. Late night practices, weekends are compromised. It takes a lot, but when you see a show like this coming up, I think it all pays for it. So I think the smile and the love and the adoration that we get, I think it's on top of it all. So I think everybody is just purely doing it out of the passion.